All right, last break of the night is a dual box break of 2013-14 Panini Select Basketball. Thanks, you guys, for filling it. Chris P. has Bobcats and Kings, DW, Raptors and Jazz, the Dog Pound, Hawks, Nets, Mavericks, and Spurs. You know, Dog Pound's been in almost every break tonight, too, Snitty. You guys are the two, carriers of the breaks tonight. And James M., too, Clippers and Suns, Jason O., Nuggets, Sixers, Snitty, Rockets and Bucks, John L., Cavs and Lakers, Joshua G., Knicks and Wizards. Kelly, who helped almost single-handedly fill the break. Thanks, Kelly. Celtics, Bulls, Warriors, Pacers, Heat, Pelicans, Thunder, and Magic. And Matt F., who also been in a ton of breaks tonight. Pistons, Grizzlies, Timberwolves, and Trailblazers. Basically, Matt F., Kelly, Snitty, James, Frank, you guys carried a lot of box breaks. Good job. Thank you. I hope you got some nice stuff. If not, message Jules and she'll send you something from her personal collection. That's a joke. What's up, Huds? All right. Can't even open the first pack. Not a good sign. There we go. Watch us get a finite one of one. It's going to happen. Thaddeus Young Prism. I can't open these packs. I grown weak in my old age. Draft Selections. Kentavious Caldwell Pope Prism. Karl Malone, baby. Jeez, I can't open these friggin' packs. Alright, Al Jefferson. Select Swatches Joyzy Relic for the Bobcats. There's a Skills Purple. James Harden for Houston. There's Snitty, 74 of 99. I'm telling you, this stuff is perfect for box breaks. There's a lot of different color. There's some good hits. Nerlens Noel Prism. Big Al, yeah. Gosh, I wish LeBron would go to Cavs. That would be so good. Redemption. Look at this. Top Selections Jersey Autograph Prisms. Blue Kevin Durant. Told you. I told you this was going to be good. Did I not tell you that? Who got that? Kelly. There you go, Kelly. Kelly was rewarded for helping to fill select. Kevin Durant, Top Selection, Jersey Autographs, Prisms Blue. Aha. That doesn't suck. KD, baby. We hit Durant's like it's going out of style around here. Kobe Bryant Prism. There's a purple. Youngbloods, Jimmy Butler for the Bulls. 9 of 99. 9 of 99. She totally does. James Harden. That girl Kelly. Kelly's one of the few customers I actually follow on Twitter because she's funny. Nate Robinson. She had one tweet that I found that I was laughing at, so I was like, oh, well, I'm going to have to follow Kelly now. I think I follow Jules. I don't follow a lot of people on Twitter. I like to keep my follows tight. Nate Walters, Red Hot, not numbered. I know. Gal Meckel. Rookie jersey auto for Dallas. Dog Pound. Alright. KD in the first box. What's in the second box? I think I follow you. You don't tweet that much. I don't really know if I follow you because you tweet so rarely. I forget if it's like... I can't remember something you've tweeted recently. I don't follow very many people. Gerald Henderson, you gotta be really funny or really informative for me to follow you. Caron Butler. Talking about peanut butter cookies right now. Draft selections, Mason Plumlee for Brooklyn. Dog pound. Purple. Shane Larkin for the Mavericks prison. John Stockton. DW. Robert Horry clutch. Oh no, Robert Horry's not clutch. We don't need to talk about that. Robert Horry, never heard of him. Another redemption. Who's this going to be? BJ Armstrong signatures. That might be for Kelly too with the Bulls. BJ Armstrong. Gotta look that up on the checklist, but I think it's the Bulls. Where else did BJ Armstrong play? Like the Magic? Michael Kidd Gilchrist. Youngbloods, Kemba Walker Prism. Frisky Bison picture, not a memorable tweet. I don't know what you're talking about. Kevin Durant Stars Blue. That's beautiful. 40 of 49. Look at Kelly with her Durants. Flaunting her Durants. Do I follow you? I seriously don't know. I follow like 5 people. Shane Larkin. Jersey auto for Dallas. Dog pound. Is it the same one we got? No, different Dallas guy. 2 Dallas rookie jersey autographs. Weird. The special ingredient. Wonder what that could be. All right, last pack of the break. Are you kidding me? Oh, I thought it was an autograph. Kyrie jersey for the Cavs. For John. Look at this. It's numbered 11 of 25. It says prime right there. But that doesn't look like a prime patch. Damn. That would have been sweet if it was a nice yellow and red, whatever you call it, crimson patch right there. Would have been a sweet Kyrie to end the night. Oh, I do follow you. Okay. See? I don't even know, Jules. You don't even tweet. If you do tweet, it's like you're retweeting something I tweeted, so I can't tell. All right. I'd say that was pretty good for a couple boxes to select. Durant, a Kyrie to 25. I would have bought into that break.